I may have to split this here and push this back over. Hey guys, this episode, I think we're just gonna finish. You can see back there, filling in the gaps. This weekend, family's kind of sick and kind of tell I'm kind of congested. But wife had a fever, kiddo had a fever, so they're all fine now. Everybody's good. So I didn't have a chance to come out here and do much, but I did get a little bit of patching done on that. Didn't get that done before I could set the doors anyways, so if I jump back on that, finish that out, put it back up there, refit it, and might mess with the outer rocker a little bit if we got time, but I gotta go and work. Contractor showing up. Was supposed to be on a day off, but gotta be in there by 10, I believe. So gives me a little bit of time out here, probably enough to do what I want to do. But let's head over there and I'll kind of show you what I've done. All right, as you can see, we are slowly getting it tacked in. Took me a little bit of time yesterday when I came out here, but we got this mainly done. A few more gaps here and there, and I accidentally cut into that back brace on the front, so we're gonna have to take it apart and weld that up. I think this part's gonna be the most interesting part to do. But yeah, main thing to do today is get this welded up, grind all this back down, and hopefully put it back on the kick panel, see what we look like. Well, let's get to welding, and maybe I might try to paint it today too if I get it look nice enough. I'll probably take a quick look on the inside and see how well I may have to tack on the inside a little bit too. So I want this to be pretty sturdy, so I might have to do that as well. But let's go ahead and finish this out right quick and see how much time we got left. All right, that took a little bit longer than I thought it would, but I think it's okay. I could use a little bit more refinement, but I am freezing out here and I ran out of these. So I need to get some more cutting wheels and some more of these. So I think that's what I'm going to do after work today. Let's go get some more stuff and then I'll finish this out here and here and here. And hopefully next time wife will be feeling like it and it'll be warmer out here and we can mount the door. But we're gonna go ahead and put that back on the door pillar right now and see what it looks like. I think it looks pretty good so far. Need to make some more pieces, but I think it'll work, hopefully. If any of y'all know about the outer rocker, it goes in here or how it goes. If it goes between that, then I'm kind of not in a very good spot. But let me know. I kind of think it does. I may have to split this here and push this back over so we get the gap in here. Maybe. Yeah, if y'all have any idea on the outer rocker, if it goes in between these two pieces of metal and in here, please let me know in the comments. But yeah, I think it turned out nicer than I thought it would. Like I said, I'll go ahead and finish this, that, and that little piece down there, and hopefully next time the wife will be well enough to help me put the door on. That's all I got for you today. Sitting in my truck out on the job site, and I was editing and I realized I didn't make an ending, so that's all I got for today. I think next time hopefully we'll get the door mounted, check our gaps, and mount the fender, and hopefully get everything dialed in. But until then, I'll see you next time.